Okay, today we want to use Google's Notebook LM, there we go, and look at a bunch of PDFs on a relatively new topic that we don't know much about. So let's get going. Create new, and our project now expects the files to be analyzed. So let's get that done. We switch to our uh, folder, and here they are. We have a total of 8 items. They're all PDF files, reasonable size. So let's import them. We switch to Notebook LM. Yeah, maybe let's do this. It's expecting input. So we switch to the files, select them all, and drag them to the browser. So import starts now. And naturally, it's a new input. So the AI needs to take a look at them, read them, analyze them. And here we are. All files are there. Let's see. Let's ask the first question. Uh, can you sum up? And let's see. Could you please clarify? Oh, really? Well, can you sum up the main topic of those files? Let's see. Let's put a question mark, good measure. Go. And let's see. Maybe it will be more reasonable. Oh, there we go. The main topics. Okay, there are some recipes. So we are talking about nutrition, probably. Yeah, that's a good guess. Liver detoxification and gut health. Okay, so looks like a breakdown is by file. So juices and soups focus on liver detoxification. Multi-week energy nutrition plan and the weekly PDF. Okay, okay, that's nice. So is this about nutrition? And the answer is yes. The provided files are fundamentally about nutrition. This is evident by several ways. Oh, it's even giving us proof that they are about nutrition. Good. So far so good. Moving on, we know the topic, and we need to get into more details. Notebook LM has already some suggestions here. Create a study guide, which is typically something like a quiz, but we're not ready for this. A briefing doc would give us a summary. Let's click that. Generating based on 8 sources. 8 sources indeed. Let's change the resolution. Okay, so we have more room in the middle. And let's see. Oh, that's too small. And there we are with the nutritional guidance for detox and energy optimization. So this is the briefing doc. When we click it, and we have the summary review of nutritional guidance sources. Very nice. We can look at it. So we have a list by PDF here. The name of the PDF, the main themes are emphasis on fresh whole ingredients. That's nice. We have nutritional detoxification. Okay, yeah, I see here. Uh, Gut healing, role of herbs, benefits of fermented foods. Oh, miso. Who doesn't like miso soup? And hydration, nutrition, etc. Now, number two is PDF number two. Ingredients for a 4-day program. Okay, that's good. We have main themes, week two receipts. Oh, that's the third PDF. There it is. So, in this PDF and subsequent weekly meal plan documents. Here they are. Okay, these sources outline the multi-week energy nutrition plan, and main themes include how to optimize the metabolism, simple whole fresh foods, elimination inflammatory. Okay, oh, the GI. Now we remember that's a glycemic index. Emphasis of low GI foods, less than 20. Okay, avoidance of AGE, advanced glycation, and okay, we have a lot to learn here, AGE. Uh, then importance of exercise. Exercise again, but we knew that it's coming. Gut health, proteins, detailed, good. And so looks like these are the basically scheduled activities or probably diet steps. Let's just make an observation that we haven't even looked at the PDFs yet. We just imported them and asked AI to open them for us and sum up. Then number four, overreaching connections and potential program. There we go, key takeaway. Outline comprehensive data strategy centered on a whole, unprocessed, careful preparation methods, and strategic meal timing, and so on. Good. Well, we see now there's some new terms, AGE, as we noticed, VO2, oh, and more chemistry. Let's take a look at, uh, can you uh, give, yes, give a list of all products, we should say food products and abbreviations. Let's start with food products first. We just want to see what products are actually uh, mentioned here. So this may take maybe a few seconds longer. And let's see. Look at this. So here's a comprehensive list of all products mentioned in the sources you provided. There we go. So we have fruits, grapefruit, lemon. That's familiar. Show out. I don't know this. Carrots, sweet potato, avocado, lime, cherry tomatoes, berries. Oh, good stuff here. I'm ready for this program. Now, there are some vegetables. Oh, that's interesting. What is bib lettuce? We'll check later. And romaine. Cilantro, jicama. Heard about this. I don't know exactly. We'll check this later. And that's a long list of vegetables mentioned here. Herbs and spices. So we're talking here about ginger, turmeric, sea salt, fresh thyme. Actually, quite a few products. Now we get to the proteins, animal and plant-based. Okay, so it's not exactly vegetarian here. We're talking about bone broth, chicken bones, turkey carcass, um, other pasture-raised bones. Oh, so it looks like it's more like a extract, not the actual meat products. Fish. Oh, seafood is always welcome. Green lentils, cook. Oh, quite a few products. Grains and legumes. Good. We have beans. Well. All the beans we can think of. And stew of beans, hummus. That's good. Split peas, basmati rice. Nice. Also nuts and seeds. Almond butter. Look at this. So hazelnuts and sweetened. We have also category of dairy products. Okay, almond milk, hemp milk, coconut milk. Pretty much all the milks you can think of. Oils. So many. Olive oil, apple cider vinegar. That's not, is it oil? Flaxseed, coconut, almond. Well, condiments and sweeteners. We have radical, okay. Other, filtered water. Vegetable broth, that was mentioned above. Oh, there we go. So it's actually taking into consideration vegan or vegetarian. Okay, olive oil. So again, we didn't have to look through a PDS even once. We just asked the AI to extract this list. So we have a very detailed summary of what product are involved. How about we also check about the abbreviations? Uh, so can you list all abbreviations with explanations, please? In the meantime, while it's digest, oh, that was fast. Antimitire, what? And PM, DV, creamy, daily value. Okay. So we see the abbreviation, where it occurred, and the context. So here it occurred in the context of AM rice and shine juice, and there's a recipe. So it's a safe guess to assume there are many recipes in these PDFs. We have daily value. AGE stands for advanced glycation products. Yes, GI is the glycemic index and glycemic load. There we go. HCA stands for heterocyclamines. PAH. Never heard of this. And ANS. Well, ADL should be cholesterol, of course. Uh, the bad one, very bad. VO2 should be the oxygen intake. Yes. What? White adipose tissue. Is this fat? It says fat here. Yes, fat tissue. ANR, which is ANR, it's adaptation and recovery. Recovery after. Hmm. Well, it is worth noting that common units of measurement, grams per milligram. Oh, yeah. Yes, okay. So it's just a paragraph that mentions that there are other abbreviations that are actually quite common. Very good. Save. Now, this list of abbreviations is right here. Uh, and let's save the earlier note as well. So list of products is here. New save note. So this comprehensive suite of products. So this is the inventory list. When we click it, we see the list. And we minimize it. This is the abbreviations. We click it, see the abbreviations. So the work is now saved, so to speak, in this L1 notebook project. And so far, so good. To review, at this point, we are in a notebook LM. I imported some unknown files. We had a general idea what they are for, and now we have a very good idea that we're talking about nutrition, a healthy program, how to start a 4-day, no, actually a 4-week program. And this is the layout that we're going to keep using. On the left are the sources. They can be taken on the side. We have more room now. In the middle, obviously, is our interactive chat. On the right, we can also hide it for more room. On the right, we have something like summary buttons, and so far we saved three notes. One is the general review of the PDFs. Then we generated the abbreviations. When we click them, here are the abbreviations. Not only this, but we also generated list of products mentioned in all these documents. And now we have a pretty good idea what products are needed, what abbreviations we need to learn if you don't know. And let's mention now one of the main and most exciting features of this notebook LM product, which is deep dive conversation. So we can click, let's first any customizations. We can actually use plain conversational English to ask for example, be more brief, be more specific, be more technical, be more concise. Let's leave it by default and generate. This will now generate a podcast. The podcast will be a conversation between two characters, one male, one female, and the two characters will talk about what they have learned after reading the PDFs. So basically, our AI helper here splits into two conversational characters, and the two characters start talking to each other about topics mentioned in the PDFs. This may take some time, so let's give it